happy to introduce you to Dr. Renu Agarwal. She is Dr. Renu Agarwal. A big hand to Dr. Renu Agarwal. She's been a chief scientist in CFTRI. She's written so many books. She has been recognized by NITI Aayog also, Government of India projects also. She's partnering. She has a huge mine of knowledge as far as the technologies related to food, nutrition, etc. is concerned. So 10 to 15 minutes we'd like to hear from her. And from that, those ideas, I'm sure we can all take off in various innovative projects. Over to you, Dr. Renu.
This is the one.
You can use also mouse, but
No, this
oh yeah,
this one?
yeah.
Next or this one?
Yeah, this one.
A very good morning to all of you. And I will just show you, what work we have done with the farmers, our story, and also what CFTRI can give for, mainly for Raichur and Yadgir things. So, this of course we all know that what are the goals in front of us and also the targets for the Karnataka region. The alternate cropping, we have found that better nutrients to the soil and a 6-month cropping, especially like chia, quinoa and teff, which are having very high amount of omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, fibers, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. These actually grow in, when the water is very less. So we can easily grow them in Yadgir and Raichur areas. And this is actually a native of South America with highly nutrient supplements. And it has lot of vitamins also and minerals which can be given in the midday meal. This chia cultivation, usually it is done 2 times in a year, in Kharif and also in Rabi season. But it is a photosensitive plant. So not in too much of hot weather, it should not be planted. And per acre yield is very high, around 300 to 350 kgs. We also did an impact assessment. Actually, we had an All India conference in our institute. This is the souvenir in 3 languages which we have taken out, which I will be giving it to Madam Shalini. And here what we did is we had distributed 100 grams of chia and quinoa to each farmer. And this 100 grams of seeds were enough to grow in 1 acre. All the farmers, they grew and later on they started growing. And we took the assessment after 2 years from 186 farmers. And then we found we connected all of them and they made a company, Raika Mitra company, which is there in Mysore. And there we found, we did an assessment. This is only a statistical thing. We found that, 88% of the farmers, they reported that the yield was very high. And around 6 farmers, they harvested 3 quintals per acre. And also, there are 2 qualities of chia seeds and quinoa. One is white and one is black. The white is actually can go into different food products, whereas black has little bit less amount. So this costs around 25,000 per quintal and black costs, So the Right Mitra, what they do is they purchase seeds from different farmers. We connected the farmers, we connected the agriculturists, the farmers, and then we connected them to NutriPlanet company, which is there and you can Google it. The company is in Bangalore. So that base and this satisfies the farmers to 91%. What we found is these NutriPlanet company, which is there in Bangalore, it not only provides, you can get the seeds from them, but they prepare different products from them. Nutri-bars, different laddus out of quinoa and chia and teff seeds. So these can be also given as midday meals, which will satisfy their proteins, their minerals, their vitamins, and so many other things to the children. And 47% of the farmers' income, we are talking about doubling the income of the farmers all the time. So 10 to 20% of the annual income, this is what we have collected from the farmers, but the statistic has got increased and they were very much satisfied. Differently, we also prepare different jaggery products, jaggery fuzz, jaggery thing, because jaggery is, farmers, they make very commonly, and can that be utilized? So NABARD also, what we did from CFTRI, we made different project proposals from the farmers' end so that funding can be easy. Because NABARD gives a very good funding which can be utilized and if the proposal is very viable. So important steps is starting from the seed to the fertilizer to the laboring, weeding and harvesting, and we also have to teach them about the different plant diseases. And then the modern farming has to be taught to the farmer level, and intercropping and crop rotation to increase the soil health. That is very, very important. So for other important